Hello, Bossmo family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country where you did. Now to drop my greetings. Thank you to all the family of Boss Mom nationwide. Okay, thank you all so much. Guys, today I'm going to talk about coconut, the spiritual use of coconut. When I start my spiritual teaching newly, I teach about 3 videos or 2. Yeah, 3. The spiritual use of coconut and how to use coconut to manifest. Even if you get kids we don't know things for school, we don't know book for school, how to use them to activate the brain, how to use and to boost their brain. I've done 2 to 3 videos that make you learn how to do it. Okay, here we share spiritual tips just in case you are new. Subscribe and follow the page. Okay, yes. Okay guys, this is coconut. As a spiritualist also, I will do a video how to use and take help people. All right, I think I'll do that video separately after this. Okay, yes, because some spiritualists, like people when they practice their spiritual calling, they like, Boss Mom, how do I use coconut to heal someone that is trying to heal a person with negativity? I will do a different video on it when I have chance. I will do video for that teaching. Okay, you have a lot to learn from me. If you are using coconut as a spiritualist for someone that has negativity, it's different when you are using it from yourself. It's different when you are using it for yourself. Okay, yes. So you need to learn it traditionally, how to use coconut to absorb someone energy. May you not go there bring cause upon yourself. Okay, you have to learn it. For now, just do the ones you know, the one where God they show you, and the ones where your ancestors, your queen mother, or your guardian angel, or your chi they show you. Okay, that is it. So I'll answer that video later. But today I want to teach you how to use coconut for your breakthrough. You have a lot of things to do with coconut water. A lot of things. Even the coconut shell, you have a lot to do with coconut shell. Okay, if you are facing negativity, you have not been progressing, like your family is also backward now that they face, you need coconut around you. Coconuts now very spiritual fruit where even till now we try to know how water to enter. That's why at times I'll tell them, say, if you want to do prayer, say, God Almighty, as nobody know how coconut water take form, no man or woman go ever know how my blessing till they come, and my blessing will shock people. You understand? Yes, people go sit down, they say, how come, how it happen? You know, say some people sabi destined person life where they not be God. So now so it be. Now you're going to use coconut for your breakthrough. 1, to remove cause. 2, pay attention to this video. It's 2 different way of doing it. All right, if I see say the video go long, I go just put how to use and get your breakthrough. Then you need to wait how to use coconut to remove negativity, to break causes. Yes, I will still do the video again. So let's go there. To get breakthrough, get your coconut. You're going to get 4 coconuts. Okay, and you're going to do your coconut spiritual cleansing for 4 nights. Yes, as you are even doing this coconut ritual, you are not only bringing breakthrough to yourself, you are bringing a lot of things, and you are breaking spiritual bond that has held you for many years not to progress and not to see good things. You are also breaking that bond. Okay, let me tell you, a lot of pastors, a lot of herbalists, native doctor or babalawo where you know, they use coconut for their spiritual enhancing, like to enhance their power, to improve in their ways. If you pray with coconut and you use and take bath, or you use and take do any spiritual work, you're going to see changes in your life. You're going to see breakthrough coming in. You're going to see God manifestation in your life. Coconut is an ancient fruit that even picking when they go born tomorrow go still know say coconut they exist. Now so your life go be when you don't true with coconut cleansing. People will not fair know you go know you. Even if they hold, they go still know you. Depend on how clean is your life. When you want to do spiritual work, there are a lot of things for you to avoid. Avoid you wishing another person bad luck, so that bad luck will not befall you. Now get your coconut. You're going to get coconut with 3 eyes. Okay, you're going to get coconut with 3 eyes. Normally coconuts, majority of all of them get 3 eyes, no problem, but they still get some when you go buy, you not go see any eyes. Yes, you understand? But make sure you select coconut where you get 3 eyes, and make sure you select coconut where you get water. Okay, this one now don't take for my house. I want to make it dry because spiritual work I want use and do now fortification for bead. Okay, so I want water still there, but I want to make it dry before I do it. I want to do, because no worry, you go watch the fortification of the bead. Okay, I want to make it dry before I use and do it. I want to do, and the share I want to use them. You understand? So that's why I want to make it dry. Get coconut wey get enough water inside. When you get coconut, the 4 coconuts, since you are doing it for breakthrough, hold on for another video that will be uploading maybe this week, if you are breaking family curses, how to do it. Okay, get 4 coconut for 4 days, and those 4 coconut must get water. Shake them. Try to look for fresh one. When you want to do spiritual work like this, not just go market, buy any coconut. No, if you even see old woman where they sell coconut, or old man like elderly person where say na he or she they sell coconut, is very perfect. But if you are in Europe or you are in other country where you want to see old woman where they sell coconut, you know go see. That's why majority of una where the Africa get opportunity to break your curses before traveling to another country, to liberate yourself before traveling to another country. So you are going to get this coconut. You get her from an elderly woman or from a old man, okay, provided you get your coconut. If you are getting it from an elderly person, it has a lot of spiritual connection why you are getting it from an elderly person, okay. But if you are not opportune to get it from an elderly person, you can still get it normally, no problem, from supermarket. I buy my own for supermarket, okay. Now, you're going to take your coconut for 4 nights, all right? Each night, you're going to do prayer, then break your coconut, add it to your bathing water, and bath, okay? This is how you're going to do it, all right? This is how you're going to shine your energy to it. On the first night, make sure you wake up exactly 12 o'clock. No ask me, boss mama, by if 12 pass, if 1 pass 12, if 1 pass 12, forget your cleansing, okay? In spirituality, you follow the rules and regulation, all right? I know it's not easy, but you need to try, especially when you know you need something from God, something from the universe, okay? In the night of it, for your breakthrough, you're going to collect 1 coconut, all right? Get the 4. Make sure say it dey under, like, close to your bed. I don't know if you understand. If you get the 4 coconuts, make sure say the 4 they either close to your bed. You understand? The side where your head they face. Yes, it get white. All right. Now on the first night, you're going to get 1 coconut. Then pull your clothes, all your clothes, pull it off. Take your coconut. This is the front. This is the down. Make sure you hold your coconut with your 2 hands like this. Okay. Let the coconut eyes face up, all right. Don't forget, say, for your spiritual eyes opening, you take it like this. For your breakthrough, you're going to hold your coconut upwards, like the 3 eyes go face up. You go face God Almighty, you go face your ancestors, and you go face the universe, okay. On this case, you can open your window to allow fresh air as you are praying, so that your prayer go outside, while God go to bring the answer come inside your house. You can open your window 12 o'clock. All your coconut like this. You can kneel down if you want to kneel down. You can sit down if you want to sit down. It all depends on you. Then close your eyes and begin to see God Almighty with you. Begin to see God Almighty with you. And not forget, share this 12 o'clock. If you be Bossmom family, you know, say before you sleep in the night, you must do cleansing, Abi? Yes, before you go bed, go sleep, you must do cleansing, which means you already did cleansing to remove every negativity where you don't come across that other day, right? So when you wake up, you are free to collect your coconut and do your prayer before you do your morning cleansing from that 12 o'clock. So that's why you need to learn how to do evening cleansing. You need positivity for your life. You want to make works of devil not a work for your life. Make their plan not they work for your life. My dear, you need cleansing. Only dead body not they do cleansing. If you always do cleansing, you will always attract favor of God, and you will always attract God present in your life, because your body is clean. Before cleansing, do your normal bathing. Not forget. After your normal bathing, cleansing water should be the last thing on your body after when you are praying. All right. Now you hold your coconut like this, and you begin to say your problem. Now you know what you they pass through. Now you know what you want. Now you know what you want make God do for you. The kind of breakthrough where you want to experience. Now you know how you want to do them. Now you know what you know they pass through. How you take they pass through difficulties. People know they favor you. You go apply for work not they come through. No good things they happen for your family. Now you know what you they pass through. Now you are going to call on everything you believe on. You are going to call on God Almighty first. God for forgiveness. Tell him to always be with you. Ask for mercy. And also don't forget to thank him for what he has been doing. And your coconut face up, not forget. Now, after doing all your prayers, everything that you want, get your bucket of water. So when you are doing your prayer, you can take your bucket of water close to you, no problem. After saying all your prayer, conclude it with thank you, because you know God already has answered your prayer. Believe even before saying. All right, now you get your bucket of water. Get your sea salt and add sea salt to that water if you like. If you don't like, no problem. Just that a lot of Boss Mom family, they are used to sea salt. Without sea salt, not their water, and they know the bath. And sea salt has a lot of spiritual connection. Okay, get your sea salt, add it to your bathing water. Now, open your coconut. You open your coconut anyhow you want. You can open it like this round. You can open it from one size if you want to use one size. Okay, if you know you are not using one size, like not open the 3 sides, no, it's better you cut the coconut round, or you look for the May eyes. Okay, the May eyes, they're easy to connect with. Okay, you look for the May eyes, open them, then pour the water inside your bathing water. Now take your shower, bath from your head, come ground, say pray and say anything where they stop your family not to progress. From today, you go call your name, call your full name, your son name. You can even use your dialect, your native language to pray, because coconut is a traditional fruit. You understand? Yes, it's a traditional fruit and a spiritual fruit. Pray with your dialect, pray with anything you know how to pray with. As you are bathing, as you put the water for body, the prayer, no sponge, no soap, no sponge, no soap. Continue bathing, continue doing your prayers, okay? And don't forget, when you want to enter your bedroom, put your slippers. Let your leg dey ground. Even if your bedroom, the cement and they put ties, let your leg dey ground. Ground has a very spiritual connection when you are praying, because you are grounding yourself also with the power with the ground. It's good when you want to do cleansing. Most times your leg should be on the ground, except maybe you are using a public bathroom or the bathroom is very dirty, then you can wear your slippers. God understands you. All right, but learn that when you want to take your bath, your barefoot should be on the ground. Pray after doing all your prayers that you know that you want God to do for you. Begin the bath. As you bath, you do your prayer. Pray for the things so you don't want the experience. Pray for the breakthrough where you want. Pray for connection. Pray for connection. Continue praying for your connection. Pray for connection. Okay, now go inside your room. Rub your cream. You don't need to clean your body. Okay, you can rub your cream like that. No problem. You sleep. In the morning, you go your business place. If you want still bath, no problem. But it's advisable, say, once you don't take that shower that day, you don't need to bath again. See, in the evening when you come back, before you want sleep, when you still take your shower. You understand? It's advisable like that. Why? Because when you do cleansing in the morning from 12 o'clock, it's not advisable, say 5 o'clock, you'll go bath again, because you don't wash that thing come off for body. Just be like you rub cream now. Then 5 hours again, you don't go wash. How the cream want to work? You don't go work. You understand? Yes. So leave her for your body like that. Go to your business place. Spray your perf. Nobody could not say you know bath come. And you still bath because now 12 o'clock. Just that you quick bath in the morning. All right. Go to your business place and watch what will happen. When you come back in the evening, learn to do evening cleansing first before you go to bed. Okay. At least as 12 o'clock now, carry your coconut again. Pray on it. Pray on it. Pray on it. Pray on it. It's good for you to always call God Almighty first in anything you do, so that things will be working for you, because He created everything on this earth. So when you always acknowledge His name and you always call Him on things, devil not go to use that thing against you. You know, say some people go say you are using coconut to bath. You don't know the power that is inside coconut. The power that is inside coconut is power of God Almighty, power of our Creator, power of the universe. Okay, there is no other power that is above God's name. That power is God. So always call on God, so that everything He keep on this earth will always manifest for you. It just be like you call my farm, collect crops, without you even informing me, without you even telling me that you want me to be happy and for me to hug you. It's not possible. It's when you first of all acknowledge me and know, okay, I'm the owner of this farm. Oh, Boss Mom, I want to pluck some coconut from your farm. Please let this coconut favor me. Please let it bless. It will bless you, bah? Yes. It just be like you collect waiting not be your own with full confidence. though you know they work that way, learn to call on God before using coconut for your spiritual work. Okay, after doing all your prayers, continue it for 4 nights. You're going to continue this same process for 4 nights, so you're going to get 4 coconuts for your breakthrough. Trust me, after the 4 nights, even before the 4 night end, you're going to call for your testimony, because this is natural, and your gift, your breakthrough, your success is going to come in a natural way. You're going to be surprised for what God is going to do for you. You're going to be surprised of your progress. Okay, and also, if you have something that you have been doing that has not been going well for you, they will start going well. That is one thing about nature. When you start using natural things for your protection, for your spiritual work, for your spiritual journey, it makes everything to work for you naturally, because we are Africa. We are known of herbs and everything. You understand? So use coconut for your breakthrough, and you will see God manifestation, and you will come back for testimony. Spiritual work if you follow the full instruction guide. Okay, not substitute anything. Put your phone for alerts. Yes, for time alert. If it's 11:50 or 11:58, you want to put your phone, put it on alert, so that when 12 o'clock, when the day 11:58, your alert go wake you. Before you do 2 minutes, you go wake up. You understand? And when you are on a spiritual mission, you are always focused and very serious, so you does not allow anything to distract you. Okay, once you through with your cleansing, this with everything, these coconuts, you feel pack and come outside to use the share later. Okay, just keep I'll teach you the spirituality of share. You can use the share. Why? Because you are praying for breakthrough, you are praying for success. You are not removing it, like, you know, they remove family curse. You understand? Yes, that is why this cleansing is very different. This one they use and pray for breakthrough, success, and all. You can keep the share for another spiritual benefits that will be coming up soon. So if you are to open your coconut like this, is great, because if you open it like this, to remove the shell go hard. So it's either you choose to open it like this, or you just say, okay, may I open it for one highs, make I go through where I'm, then another time if I want coconut shell, I go get another one, use them, no problem. But if you open around, try to remove all the shell, all the coconut fruits inside. Okay, don't eat it, don't even test it. Don't eat it, don't test it. Go to bush where far near you. Go to place or dustbin or bush. If you see bush, is preferable. Throw it inside the bush. Why this share? Keep them for another purpose, for another day. Okay? Yes. If you keep one for the 4 days, just that as you pray for breakthrough, it's good you keep one of the share, or you keep other share. What you want to use all the share do? So if you keep, okay, the last prayer I'll keep the share, or the first prayer I'll keep the share. You have to choose one. Let your chi guide you to choose the day where you go keep the share. But not forget, say you don't need to keep this coconut inside your room, or throw it inside garbage. If you know, say you know they use them for any you know they use the shell. And before you throw away if you want to use the shell, you have to remove every fruit inside and take it inside dustbin. You have to remove every fruit inside and take it inside dustbin to throw away. Okay, don't eat the fruit. Don't eat the fruit. I repeat, don't eat the fruit inside the coconut. Not drink the water. Use it and do your cleansing. All right, either enjoy your bathing water and go and do your cleansing. Thank you all so much for watching. And to break family curses, to remove family curses, to remove yourself from your family curses with coconut, I will upload it. I just want to give clear, full explanation on this, how to use coconut for your breakthrough. Okay, not forget, these eyes need to face up, because you want God connection inside your coconut. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I remain your box mom. Stay cool for more spiritual tips, and I hope you love this video. Share and remain positive. Always know you are open to positivity when you open your heart and say, I am open to positivity. Positivity simply means you are open to acknowledge, to manifest what anybody think they cannot manifest. Yes, when you are open to positivity, you will always manifest what others are not able to manifest. Good luck, breakthrough, success, favor, and all. Okay, thank you all so much. I remain your boss.